Hi everyone, I'm back with another hieroglyph today. So this one looks pretty much here like a rectangle. So what was it and how was it used in ancient Egyptian? We'll get right into that in a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd click subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss future videos like this one. Okay, so what was this hieroglyph? It's been interpreted as being probably a stool, most likely made out of reeds. And you can see this in more detailed depictions of the sign where it actually does show a woven kind of pattern on it. So how was it used in ancient Egyptian? Well, this was used for basically the sound of the letter P. So very similar to our English P. And luckily, one of these ones that for most people around the world is not too hard to pronounce. So how could you use it? Well, it could be used obviously in a huge number of words because it is a sign with just one consonant in it. And so it has a lot of versatility. One example would be the word peter, which means to view or observe something. Now, one thing I should note here is this I hieroglyph is actually different from the I we talked about before that had the sounds ear. This particular I with the paint above it is used only as a determinative. And if you're not familiar with what a determinative is, I suggest you pick up my free half-hour hieroglyphs guide, and I'll have a link in the description for that below. So that's your example of how to use this particular hieroglyph for P. And in the next couple days, I'll be back with some other hieroglyphs and words that use this as well. So I'll see you soon.